Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix an error notification when I try to log in my Pubg mobile account and it says network error. Login failed, check your network settings. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To fix this issue is a very simple method. For that, first we have to launch setting and search for private DNS. Tap private DNS and tap again private DNS and select configure private DNS and type dns.google. After that we have to go to App Store or Play Store and search for application DNS Changer Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. After downloading this application, we have to tap on open. Then this interface will appear and we have to accept terms and conditions. Then tap start to connecting to the DNS server. That's it. After that you will log in your mobile Pubg account and you will never get a error, check your network settings or network error, something like that. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.